Hey there, it's Jonathan Creek again at local Hennessy Service Department. Today we're going to be talking about filters, cabin filters, air filters, how to service them, what to look out for, and the kind of mileage intervals we recommend changing them out. And here we have two examples of a cabin filter. Cabin filters are located behind the glove box, and they filter all the air that you breathe inside the car when your HVAC is engaged. The one on your left here, this is going to be an example of a clean cabin filter, brand new from the factory. As you see, it's white. We don't have any pollen or dust buildup or any leaves. This is going to be a safe cabin filter to make sure that what you're breathing inside the car isn't contaminated. The one on the right, as you can see, that thing is not even close to white. It's gray. It's got a bunch of pollen, leaves, dust, and debris built up in there. That is what you're breathing inside the car if you haven't changed out your cabin filter recently. These do look similar to an engine air filter, which controls what goes inside the air intake for the engine for combustion, but basically the same kind of design when it comes to filters, whether it's for the cabin or for the air filter for the engine. We do recommend to change out cabin filters, which you see in front of you behind the glove box, every 20,000 miles, every 15,000 miles for your engine air filter. Essentially, when you keep your filters updated and you keep them serviced and you keep them clean, it allows you and your vehicle to breathe as less contaminated as possible, as clean as possible. So we do recommend to get your vehicle into your local Hennessy Auto Group service department as soon as you can if you're due for a cabin filter or an air filter. So this has been a summary of filters, cabin filters, and air filters for these vehicles. If you have any kind of issues with your cabin filter, a bad smell inside the car, or you're simply due in terms of mileage to get it replaced, feel free to get to your local Hennessy service department as soon as you can. Happy to service that vehicle, make sure the filters are clean and updated.